You really do have a unique perspective of innovation within strategic communications. How do you see innovation happening at scale in military and defense communications?
Well, last year I worked on an innovation project for the Air Force. The Air Force is becoming the supreme leader in innovation. They want every single person in the Air Force to be innovative. And the military usually doesn't do that. So this is a remarkable movement to the future. And the Army and the Air Marines and the Navy are also looking into it now. In the military, it's a sort of top-down environment. The general issues orders, issues a vision to the colonels, and then he brings it to the NCOs, the non-commissioned officers, and then they bring it all the way down to the private. And it's basically, here's a ditch, here's the shovel. We need to dig the ditch, and the private goes and gets the shovel and digs the ditch. And there isn't too much innovation there. They decided that's not going to work in the future. They're deciding now to give the private not only a shovel, but skin in the game and say, look, we got to build this ditch.
Yeah.
But hey, look, I know how to do this ditch a little better than most people, and I can dig it faster and better if we use this kind of shovel or we do it this kind of way. And that hasn't happened. That's remarkable. And last year, they came up with programs where they want to get young airmen to middle manage airmen, and then of course the leadership together, all on a tabletop settings in classes, and utilize ideas. And so here's your technology comes in the idea. A lot of times you can't synthesize that idea on paper or in video, and with your technology you can take that idea and make it. So now when you give a presentation to a group, here's my idea. Your technology makes it much easier to understand it. And then at the end of the day, the problem is solved by your technology. So that's the future. That's what they're going. The military, Air Force, they want everyone to be innovative. They're giving young kids that join the military a chance to be innovative. And that's the future. Innovation is the future.